we're taking a deep dive into the 2024 BMW X2 M35i. This little beast promises big thrills in a compact package. But is it a true M car or just a poser in a sporty suit? Let's get greasy and find out. Bold moves, bigger stance, forget the cute X2 of yore. This new one's on steroids. It's longer, wider, and boasts an aggressive face that screams "don't mess with me." The kidney grills are still controversial, but those air intakes and M-spec body kit say performance loud and clear. I dig the coupe-like roofline and chunky wheel arches, making it look like a mini X4 on fire. Interior inside, it's all M everything. Bucket seats hug you like a jealous ex. The steering wheel feels fat and grippy, and the digital instrument cluster puts all the info right in your face. The curved infotainment screen is slick, but I miss some physical buttons for quick access. Overall, it's a sporty cockpit that begs to be flogged. Performance unleashing the beast. Now, the juicy bit. This pocket rocket packs a 312 horsepower, turbocharged four-banger that catapults you to 60 in a neck-snapping 5.2 seconds. The 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox is butter-smooth, and the XDrive all-wheel drive keeps you glued to the tarmac like superglue. It's agile, playful, and begs to be chucked into corners. But be warned, the ride can get firm, especially in sport mode. A compact champion with caveats. The 2024 BMW X2 M35i is a riot on four wheels. It's fast, fun, and handles like a dream, but it's not perfect. The stiff ride, tight interior, and thirsty engine might not suit everyone. Still, if you crave a compact crossover with a serious performance edge, the X2 M35i delivers in spades. Just be prepared to pay the price, both literally and figuratively. So, is the 2024 BMW X2 M35i tiny terror or a crossover king? You decide. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and smash that like button if you enjoyed this spicy review.